Hello everyone and welcome to one more tutorial for NETSTREAM. In this tutorial we're going to see the new payment gateway, the fiat payment gateway that we have on NETSTREAM for our collaboration with Alchemy Pay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly how to top up your account with either SUI or USDC through using Alchemy Pay. So you can click here on card, and next step you go here to Alchemy Pay and select buy crypto. Then you have a new window from Alchemy Pay Ramp, which will open up, and you can either select your currency that you are currently holding your fiat. I'm going to select euro here, and I'm going to select that I want to send 20 euro to the platform. And what I'm going to also select is USDC on SUI. Be extra careful to select USDC on SUI, and you can also, as a step in the platform, also select SUI because you have to have some SUI on NETSTREAM to pay some the gas fees for your payment. So you can start with buying at least, let's say the minimum, it's 15 euro on for SUI, and then the rest of the money that you can buy is in USDC, or you can either swap them inside the platform. Here you can go to the card again and go here to swap crypto, and you can select to swap your USDC for SUI. But I would strongly recommend to use Alchemy Pay, 15 euro for SUI, gas fees, and then the rest of the amount for USDC. So what we're going to do is we're going to select USDC. So 15 euro for 16.97 USDC. And next step will be to proceed to buy the USDC. So next step, I must here to either use bank transfer, use my Visa or my MasterCard, or do it with Google Pay. All of these methods are almost instant. So what you're going to do here, I'm going to select card. As you can see here, my card is pre-selected because I've done it again. So here, as a step, you can input your credit card details and your name. Please also don't forget to add your billing address, and there you will be ready to proceed. Now, apart from selecting my card, as you can see here, I have selected my card. I'm selecting here my card actually. And then the next step would be to, of course, add the CVV here, and then the platform will ask you to pass the KYC for the first time. If you are using the payment gateway for the first time, you will be asked to pass the KYC, the thumbs up KYC. But if you have already passed thumbs up KYC on NETSTREAM and you have inputted your email, then by just adding your email, you will just be asked to do a liveness check and you will be ready to proceed. Now, what I'm going to do is just add the CVV from my card, and then I will be able to proceed to the next step. So now I'm on the final step. Order amount 15 euro. I've chosen my Visa card, which is connected right now to the platform, and I can just agree on the terms, and I click on proceed to payment. Now in the next step, I'm waiting from the system to process my payment. And as you can see, the payment has succeeded. And now I'm waiting for the USDC to be sent to my address. As you can see here, the transactions are very instant. So now I have 172 USDC on my account. And the next step, in a few minutes, I will have more USDC in my account since I've sent more USDC to the account through the payment gateway. You also going to receive a verification email for the transaction in your email, and the crypto will be delivered to your address, to your wallet, which is automated. Of course, don't have to do anything. This is connected to your NETSTREAM wallet, which is USDC on SUI or either SUI SUI on the SUI blockchain. So just be a little patient, a little minutes, and the process will be completed and the USDC will be delivered to your wallet. So here you can see that my deposit was successful and 16 USDC was credited to my account. So here I will see 188. So the USDC have been credited indeed to my account. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on NETSTREAM soon.